How to get rid of blackheads on nose naturally. Green tea. Green tea is good for us all. It helps us improve our health in various ways. No wonder green tea has become so popular now. It has been reported that green tea can improve brain function, achieve weight loss, lowers the risk of various types of cancer, it lowers the risk of Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, improved dental health, and fights type 2 diabetes too. If you are wondering how to treat blackheads on my nose, then you will be happy to know that green tea can help you here as well. Get this. Leaves of green tea. Water. Teaspoon. A soft towel or napkin. A bowl. Do this. Keep your dry green tea leaves in the bowl. Pour water. Now mix these two to create a paste. 1 tablespoon should be enough. Rub this paste over your blackhead. Keep rubbing for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse off using lukewarm water. Pat dry with your soft towel or napkin. This scrub is going to deep clean your oily skin and unclog all those pores.